Hi guys, today I am going to give you some investing tips how you can invest your money and that too peacefully because the geopolitical situation is not commensurate with actually investors all over the world. So India is safe right now because India have a sustainable growth, and most importantly we still have a agricultural economy. And in every war you need to survive, and for that survival you need to eat first now. Eat, drink and sleep. That's the basic necessity in our life. So in times of war, those nations will survive who have a strong agricultural economy. So India has got that. So India will never sleep hungry. So in that position, I can tell that India is a safer option, and our banking system is good. Okay, and our banks, unlike American or the US or Euro for sake, they provide interest, a certain amount of interest, which is little more than the inflation. So you can beat inflation, but not at a good margin. But yes, yeah, you can save your money. You can grow your money without investing in mutual fund, without investing in investment in other mutual funds, golds and all. So you have a safer option available to all the Indians, and that is to invest your money in FDs, fixed deposits. We still have banks which provide 6 to 7% or maybe a little more, 8% interest rate, annual interest rate, right, which is compounded actually. That's compound interest rate for your money, for your invested money. So actually the inflation hovers between 6 to 10%. So actually your money is safe, but in at times of war, your money may be lost. Okay, stock market will go down, the prices will increase, the demand is not fulfilled. Okay, when the demand is less, supply hovers. Okay, so when the demand is more, supply is less, so company suffers actually. Okay, when the demand is good, company supplies more and they used to profit, and that profit share goes to investors. But at times of war, that's not gonna happen. So you have to invest certain amount of money into FDs. FDs are good. Okay, yes, you may not beat the inflation if it's go beyond 8%, but you can save your money. Okay, your principal amount, I think, will not be lost. Okay, will not go down actually. But in stock market, if you invest in mutual funds at times of war or at times of great crisis for say a decade, then your money, your invested money, your portfolio will go down. So it's my humble request to save your money in banks, in post offices. Post office is the most reliable, most safest option for Indians right now, because we used to ignore post offices. Okay, because it's not mobile actually. It's not fast as, and furthermore, uh, it has not been technologically sound, because mm, because people are not investing in post offices. The demand is not much, and it's too traditional way. But some traditional ways will save you in the long run. Okay, so so as per the geopolitical situation, you invest your money in FDs, fixed deposits, RDs. You may do RDs if you are a salary person. Okay, if you're a business person, have some corpus and put it into FDs in banks and post offices. So it's my humble request to save your money, to save your corpus, to save your investment and your money, so that at times of your need you can have that corpus to use for yourself, to feed your loved ones, okay, and for emergency and medical purposes. So this time, signing off right now.